Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen, I fought for my fourth fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date is the 10th of November 2023. We are with XM binary, and what we're going to do is we're going to reinvest all that $10,558.44. Now, I'm still somehow stuck with the, hold on, let me show you. I'm still stuck at the 6.2%. I'm still here. Okay, but it's not going to worry me. At least I'm still getting 6.2. Somehow they haven't clicked my account over to 12%. Nevertheless, I'm going to continue making money with this binary, XM binary. And this is the procedure to just keep pumping more money into your account. And basically that's all I'm going to show you at this point of time. So if you have an account and if you need to know how to reinvest, this is the process. And basically if you have money in this area here called account balance, that's the area that you need to transfer. Now basically it's pretty simple. If you want to take withdrawal, just click withdraw and go through the procedure. There you can take some of it out or all of it out. It's entirely up to you. You can just simply click down there how much money you want to take out, and it will go automatically to your crypto wallet. Okay, but we're not going to go there. We're going to go right here. We're going to redeposit everything. It's called reinvestment. Okay, this is the account. Now this is the deposit area. This is very important that you know this. Come down the bottom here. Now you got to click on this spend from account balance. Not this one. Make sure it's this one that you click on. Just go through the procedure. Now once it's highlighted, you got to also make sure you click on that little button, this baby here, and start doing the withdrawal. Reinvestment. I'm going to try and see if they accept this one first. Okay, click spend down the bottom. Brings over here, you can click process. As you can see, I'm still stuck at the 6.2%. So I got to make 1,499 deposit until it clears all that balance. This is the procedure. Just go through the process. Then we will reinvest everything and keep adding more money to your account every single day. Oops. It is a process, but just go through it. Make sure all your money is, as I said, reinvested every single day. Because every single day, of course, your money is compounding. And it's that compound interest or growth that you require. Instead of your money just sitting there, just keep reinvesting it. And that's all I'm doing at this point of time. Just reinvesting every single thing. So tomorrow my new balance will continue to grow. And I think every day now I'm making around about $500 or $600 a day. And it's growing. Every day it grows. And this is the procedure to do that. It's called reinvestment. Reinvest everything, little things you have in your balance. And if you can't make withdrawal, I wouldn't try. Just keep adding. Keep adding to your balance. Worry about withdrawing in the future. Of course, when you get the total balance, just follow the procedure for now. Okay, and I'll show you another secret there. If you think you've been scammed, yes, you have been scammed. But if you change your mindset to say, nah, somewhere along in the future, the great universe and God will turn around and give me all this money. So all you want to do is have this vision, okay? And this program will give you that vision of how much money you can be getting, okay? Now, I'm nearly finished. I don't know if we'll accept that one, but let's have a go at it. No, looks like I've still got a little bit more money left. So we're going to clear everything, $51. 51. Anyway, going back to scam. If you think you have been scammed by this app, yes, you have been scammed. I'm teaching you the money that you may think you have lost into this app. Yes, you have lost it. So take this as a notion. If you have lost it, what can you do? There's nothing else you can do. I mean, you can go through legal cases to try and recover your money. My attitude is, okay, as you can see, I got $10,544 reinvested. My attitude is this number? See, you want to see this number. That means your total net worth is growing. It may not be with this particular app, XM Binary, but I promise you it will come through somewhere in your life in the future, as long as you don't give up and say, I have lost it. Because as long as these apps are still up and producing income for you, or, growing your income, you might as well keep pumping it. Just keep pumping your account and have faith in the possibility in the future that you can recover all this money. It's a self-belief sort of process. I can't explain to you in reality. All I can say is every day, just do what I've just done. If you have money in this account, account, to reinvest a whole lot. And it's this vision, just this idea, having this money growing for you, activates something beautiful within yourself. Okay, now that beauty within yourself, it's called belief, will make it a reality later on. Later on is where you want to go. That means in the future. But if you say this is lost, yes, I'm afraid you have lost your money. So it's to do with your mindset. Remember, it's your mind. You can control it. Control also this environment in front of us, not by blaming it, not by getting angry. I mean, I fall into it too, I must admit, but I got to come back to something that I have learned in life. It's called believe. Just believe. Believe without doubt. Whatever money that you have in this system or any other system that you think you may have lost, don't believe it. Okay, if you're a good person, believe this. Somewhere along in the future, you're going to get all this money that you think you might have lost. But if you think you have lost it, yes, I'm sorry to say, you have lost it. So that's the point for today. That's the teaching for today. So while XM is still active, okay, this app, keep going. Now, keep adding, like what you saw. Now, this number here, 10,544.94. That's today's figure. Tomorrow, it will kick over at 6. Let me give you an idea. How much is that going to be worth tomorrow? I'm getting my calculator. 10,544.94 times 6.2%. $653 I will get tomorrow, plus equal. And our new total tomorrow will be $11,198. Now, each day, that's going to keep growing. That's what I'm trying to teach you and encourage you. Don't give up. Don't give up. Remember, there's a saying, if you give up now, you have lost. If you don't give up, keep at it. I wouldn't say put any more money into it, but I would say keep reinvesting what you already got in it. I hope you got the idea. But anyway, this is Stephen Eiffel from Eiffel 14, creating fortunes for the future. Start believing in yourself. Start believing what The heavenly God and the universe is giving it to you. Just don't believe the fact that you think you have lost it. Remember, if we think we have lost it, yes, we have lost it. I can't guarantee you when you will get it, but I can guarantee you you will get it somewhere in the near future. Anyway, Stephen R. Ford for Mindful Fortune. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.